Good morning, dear students. This is Durgesh Kumar Pandey, your history teacher. Students, I hope so that you all will well during this pandemic at your home, at your place. Students, in my previous class, I had discussed about the economic activities in Roman Empire. Students, now today I am going to discuss with you all about the social hierarchy in Roman Empire. Social hierarchy in Roman Empire. Students, what were the social hierarchy? Social hierarchies. Social hierarchies. Hierarchies in Roman Empire. Social hierarchy. Students, in class 9th you had already read about the French Revolution. There you can easily see the Roman society has been categorized into three basic categories: first states, second states, and third states. The Roman society has been divided. But now in Roman Empire, the society had been categorized into near about six basic categories. Who were they, students? First, senators. Second, equities or nobilities. Equities or nobility. Third, middle class. Fourth, labor category or labor categories. और जिनको हम कहते हैं क्या, ह्यूमिलिएटर्स, जिनको हम कह सकते हैं ह्यूमिलिएटर्स. And last one, they were slaves. Last were humiliators, and fifth one slaves. And nobility who are here, it's also a categories except equities. So we will count nobility 6 month. इनको थर्ड पे कर दे और थर्ड पे करने के बाद इनका नंबर चेंज कर दे. थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ एंड सिक्स. Fourth, fifth, and sixth students. These were the 6 categories in Roman Empire. Students. So, if we will go with the Tacitus, according to him, Tacitus was a philosopher. According to the Tacitus was a philosopher. According to him, in the Roman Empire, senators were at top. According to him, senators in Roman Empire at top. Students, Roman Empire at top. Respectable sections of the peoples who were attached to the great houses was next to social order. Respectable section of the peoples, sections of the people, respectable section of the peoples who were attached to the great houses, who were attached to great houses, was next in social order, or were next in social order. Students. Order. Lower class slaves comes to the bottom in Roman Empire. Lower class and slaves were come to bottom in Roman Empire. Lower class and slaves comes bottom in Roman Empire. In Roman Empire. Students, the society who comes under the lower class are slaves, they always live in the bottom of Roman Empire. But the upper sections, the societies who knows as senators, they count as at the top in Roman Empire. But if we will discuss about the slaves and lower class, they always comes at the bottom in Roman Empire. These were the status of peoples. Of 6 major categories along with equities. Senators along with equities and nobilities, they comes at the top, and the lower section and the slaves were always count as on bottom in Roman Empire. Students, if we will discuss about the senators and equities, has merged into the expanded aristocracy. Students. The senators and equities, the senators and equities has merged into an expanded aristocracy. Students, expanded aristocracy who had officers, bureaucrats, they come in middle class. Officers, bureaucrats comes under the middle class. Students, they comes under the middle class. After that, students, monetary systems in late Roman Empire. Now, after this topic, social hierarchy, we are going to discuss about the monetary systems in late Roman Empire. What was the monetary system? How kinds of monetary systems were held in the late Roman Empire? After these topics, we will discuss about the late antiquity. Students, monetary system of late empire. Monetary system in late Roman Empire. Roman Empire students. Monetary system broke down in late Roman Empire, because Spanish silver mines were exhausted exhausted by the government. Monetary system broke down in late empire because of Spanish silver mines exhausted by the government. Because of Spanish silver coins, Spanish silver mines exhausted hosted by the government students ran out of the stock of the metals to support the stable coinage in silver. Run out of stock of the metal to support a stable coinage in silver. A stable coinage in silver. Students. Now students, we will discuss about the Roman bureaucracy of the late Roman Empire. Roman bureaucracy in late Roman Empire. Of the late Roman Empire. The bureaucracy of the late Roman Empire, both at higher and middle class. The bureaucracy of the late Roman Empire, both at higher and middle class. Both of late Roman Empire for both higher and middle class, higher and middle class, middle class students. There was a corruption in the administrations of judiciary and military supplies. There was a corruption. There was a corruption in administrations of judiciary and military supplies. There was a corruption in administration of judiciary and military supplier. There was a corruption in administration of judiciary and military suppliers and military suppliers. Suppliers, students. Military suppliers. There we can easily say the extortions of high society and provincial government as common. The extortions of higher society, the extortion of higher society were common. लोग एक्सटॉर्शंस भी लेते थे, एक्सटॉर्शंस डिमांड रखते थे लोग, यानी कि लोगों का किडनैप भी होता था। एक्सटॉर्शंस मनी होती थी, सुरक्षा मनी दी जाती थी सुरक्षा के लिए। ये करप्शन मिलिट्री के साथ फैला हुआ था, मिलिट्री और जुडिशरी के साथ फैला हुआ था। जो करप्शन दिख रहा था वो कहाँ पर होता था, किसके प्रति अप्लीकेबल होता है? दो हायर सोसाइटीज के पीपल्स थे, हायर सोसाइटीज के पीपल्स के अगेंस्ट जो जुडिशरी और मिलिट्री ऑफिसर्स का करप्शन था वो देखने को मिलता था, वो एक्सटॉर्शंस लेते थे उनसे। हिस्टोरियंस एंड अदर मेंबर्स ऑफ installed such practice. Historians and other members historians and other members also felt that practice students, that practice. Now students, with this topic I am going to end my session here. We will meet in next class in next video. Thank you students, thank you very much.